If 2020 taught us anything, then it is that we needed to understand what is essential and what isn't essential. As I mentioned in one of our previous broadcasts, specifically about how you can make money. If you want money, it isn't money you should be looking for. You should start looking for problems, and more importantly, solutions to those problems. And once you find those solutions, build a business around it. I'm going to mention the area and I'll mention the problem. Your part is to find out how you can provide a solution to it. Well, let's get on with it. Number one, agriculture is the area, and the problem is hunger. What niche can you pick up and build a business around? I was talking to a particular friend of mine some time back, and he mentioned some untapped areas, things like rearing rabbit. You know, a few years down the road, it's going to pick up so much, so you can think in that line. Number two, medical. The problem is health. So if you are a medic or someone who would wish to venture into that area, everyone wants to be healthy. No one really wants to suffer. No one wants to be disease-ridden. So you can actually build a business on that. I'll give you an example. There are a few people who have ventured and innovated a device that can help expecting mothers to do a scan by themselves from their homes. That's just an example, and you can think in line with that. Number three, housing and real estate. The problem is people need where to sleep, a decent area to sleep, but at a low cost. That is a niche you can take up and build a business around it. Another example is land. You can buy land. A few years down the road, you can sell it at a price that's way higher than the one that you bought it at. Think about that. Number four, mental health or therapy. 2020 has removed a veil from something that not so many people had actually thought of, especially in Africa. Mental health. So many people suffer from mental health because of stress from work, stress from home, like from every other area, but they don't have a solution to this. So you, as a person, you can pick it up and do your research on how you can provide a solution to this problem. Number five, workouts and exercises. We do not experience an alarming number of health issues in line with not exercising and the likes here in Africa. But in other countries, in other continents, it's so much alarming. Now for us, it's going to pick up since urbanization is coming home and a lot of globalization is happening. People are not feeding well, people are not exercising well. You can build a business around this. Create a routine that can help people exercise well. Then you have a business. Number six, entertainment. Everyone needs entertainment. It doesn't matter whether now, few years down the road, it really doesn't matter. Are you talented? Can you do something that entertains? Go ahead and pick up that particular niche and just create it, develop it slowly. A few years from now, you're going to get some returns out of it. E-commerce. Again, 2020 taught us that you don't have to be in a particular shop to sell to people. You can be at your home, just show people that what you sell is good enough. The few years before 2020 has helped people to trust online sales. And that is where e-commerce comes in. People are already trusting. So when you start doing something in line with that, it will pick up. You may not see it now, but a few years down the road, it's going to. Number 8, online content creation or podcasts. The world is hungry for knowledge. The world is hungry for education, and education itself is going to be changed totally. There is a lot of online teaching nowadays, and you as a person, be it a teacher, be it a business person who wants to advise people on how to do it, be it a motivational speaker or an inspirational speaker, you can pick up this and start doing it slowly. With time, it's going to pick up and you can monetize it a few years down the road. Number 9, energy. From electricity to charcoal to solar to batteries, the list is endless. Things like coal is getting depleted. Gasoline is also going to get depleted at some point. So we need to be looking for the long term into some of the energy sources that are not tapped yet. As an individual, it may be difficult, but you can still start developing the idea now, because a few years down the road, you're going to realize that it's going to be very much needed. Number 10, waste management. The problem is we have so much waste that are not being taken care of the way it's supposed to be. Domestic wastes, industrial wastes, and the likes. So you can identify, you can start small. You don't even have to start very big. You don't need a big truck to do this. People are willing to pay someone who can take care of their rubbish from home and dispose it somewhere in a good way. So you can make a business out of this. Just think about it. Start small, you will see where it takes you. I have a bonus for you. Some area that is untapped. That is cryptocurrency. People are becoming comfortable, very much comfortable with online sales. I don't have to hold money in my hand to go and buy something. All I have to do is just transfer online. And cryptocurrency is digital money, digital currency. It doesn't seem to be so much effective right now, but when you look at the trends, you can project that in a few years from now, like 3 to 5 years from now, it's going to pick up. So if you buy the likes of Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies that are available in the market, 5 years from now, it's going to start appreciating, and you will be one of the people that can be rich in this section. Well, there you have it. 10 business ideas or areas where you can build a business in, and the bonus of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching until the end. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot, and I believe that since you've watched until the end, you believe that this content really adds value to you. Hit on the bell so that you get notified each time we publish a new content. If you're watching this from Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, be sure to follow us. Otherwise, I'll see you the next time we do this again. Bye-bye.